guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 18 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1475. Final prices with a special discount in a shop. Okay, so it's a very easy problem. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given an integer array prices where prices of I is the price of the ith item in a shop. Okay, there is a special discount for items in the shop. Okay, if you buy the ith item, okay, if you buy this ith item, then you will receive a discount equivalent to prices of j, where j is the minimum index such that j is greater than I. Okay, so if I select this item, then I have to select the discounts from these elements. Okay, these are nothing but my j's. Okay, j is greater than I. Okay, and here in this I have to find a price. Okay, I have to find a price, okay, prices of j such that it is less than or equal to prices of I. Okay, so this is what I need to find. So here 8, and then I go to this 4. Okay, so 4 is small less than this 8, right? So here this item is going to get the discount of 8 minus 4, to total 4. Okay, done. Then let's say my this is becomes my I. Okay, this becomes my I. All right, so now here I have to search in these elements. Okay, so this 6 is greater than 4. No, okay, I can't give this much discount. Then this 2 is smaller than this 4, right? So my prices of j should be less than equal to prices of I. Okay, so here in this item I'm going to give the discount of 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, done. Then this becomes my I. Okay, then I have to find the discount in these. Okay, so here 2, so here 2 is less than 6, so just break it. Okay, so in this item just give the discount 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, 4 I'm writing. In this 2 there's no smaller element after this, right? So here 2 it is. Okay, then 3, there's no other element, so 3 it is. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Calculate the number of items we have. Okay, so here I'm going to write prices dot length. All right, then create one result array. Int result is equal to new int and okay, then run one while loop. Okay, run one for loop. Okay, let's iterate over all the prices first. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, then here first of all just assign result of I value to my current price value. Okay, prices of I. All right, then take one variable j and start it from the next index I plus 1. Okay, inside this run one loop while my j is less than n. Okay, and inside this while loop just check for condition if prices of j, okay, if prices of j is less than equal to prices of I. All right, so in that case just update my result of I with prices of j minus prices of I. All right, and break it. Okay, that's it, break it. All right, and every time what we are doing, we are just incrementing the j. Okay, and once we found any value which is smaller than that value, okay, then we have to just stop it. Okay, and here in the end just return the result. That's it. Now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. We'll try to fix that. So yes, so here spelling mistake. So here prices of, oh, I price is greater than, right? Here prices of I have to write, here I have to write j. Okay, now let's run it, because we are finding a smaller price, okay, later on. So the test case has been accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so see our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.